Withdrawing money from Netflix to your bank account is not a standard process, as Netflix typically does not hold funds for users. However, if you are looking to manage your subscription payments or refunds, here is a guide to help you navigate the process. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Visit the Netflix website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the payment method you want to manage. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Review payment information. In the account settings, look for the membership and billing section. Here, you can review your current payment method and transaction history. If you are expecting a refund, check the relevant details. Step 4. Request a refund if applicable. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Monitor your bank account. After submitting a refund request, keep an eye on your bank account for any incoming funds. Refunds can take several days to process, so be patient and check back regularly. In conclusion, while you cannot directly withdraw money from Netflix, managing your account and understanding their refund policies can help you handle your finances effectively.